Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware has the Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change your Samsung Smart Monitor saturation. So at first you need to go to the left where all your control settings are and scroll down to the settings itself. Here go to all settings and scroll down to the picture. Here in the picture settings scroll down again so that you can see exactly the expert settings and click that. Here, as you can see, we do have the brightness, contrast, sharpness and color. The color is the saturation. You can increase the saturation by going to the right and decrease by going to the left. As you can see, now we have all blacked out. And now everything is oversaturated actually. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.